What's up guys, how y'all doing? Welcome to Internet Moola. In this video I will show you how to create a new user on Windows 10. So let's start. The first thing, click on this icon, the Windows icon, and then type control panel. Now open the control panel and search for user accounts. So where is user accounts? Here we go. Click on user accounts and then make changes to my account in PC settings. So click on it, and as you see, here is the info. Now click family and other users, and now click add someone else to this PC. So click on it like that, and then type I don't have this person's sign-in information. Press again add a user without a Microsoft account, and put the username of the user. For example, we're gonna put Internet Moola like that. Choose a password. I'm not gonna choose any password. And as you see, here's another user. If you wanna give this user like administrator access, you can choose administrator and click OK. So like that, you're gonna give him the administrator permission. You can also remove the user like that, and that's it. So if you like this video, click on the like button, subscribe on our YouTube channel to get more tutorials. Thank you all for watching this video. Bye.